Good morning everyone. Myself B. Chandana. I am here to present embedded system internship which I have done in Ematex. Here I have studied the basics of C programming and embedded C and I have done a project on microwave oven. Now in this presentation I am going to explain you what I have learned, that is introduction to C programming, basic structure of C programming, variables and data types in C programming, input and output in C programming, operators in C programming, and like arrays, pointers, etc. Introduction to C language. What exactly is C? It is a procedural language that provides no support for objects and classes. What is the history of C? C programming language was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories of American Telephone and Telegraph, located in USA, and Dennis Ritchie is known as a founder of C language. Why we have to learn C? This makes C ideal for developing operating system, device drivers and other applications where performance and efficiency are critical. Moreover, learning C can help developers better understand programming concepts such as memory management, pointers and data structures. Basic structure of a C program. Structure of C program includes header, main and a body of a program. Hash include stdio.h is a header file, int main is a main function, and in int main void main function we have returned a statement which we want as output, and we have a return function which returns the value to be entered, and this is a body of a program. My simple hello world program, it consists of first we have to declare a header file, that is stdio, int main. In the main function I have returned a printf which is a output of a C program. It displays hello world. Variables and data types. What are variables? A variable is a name of a memory location. It is used to store data. Its value can be changed and it can be reused many times. Data types. Data types are nothing but int, float, char, etc. We know that int is used to store an integer value, char is to store a single character, decimal number with a single precision. We also use double data type, which is to store decimal numbers with a double precision. How to declare and initialize a variable? First we have to declare which data type it is, int or a float, char, etc. Next, declare that initialize that variable by assigning some value to the variable. Then int age equal to 20. This is the declaration and initialization of variable using data type and variable name. Constants in C programming. The constants in C programming are read-only variables whose values cannot be modified once they are declared in C program. The const keyword is used to define the constants. Const int var equal to 5. Const is a keyword, int is a data type, var is a name of it is a variable which is equal to 5. It is an initial value which cannot be changed. Input and output data. In formatted functions, input function is a scanf function and output function is a printf function. Scanf function is used to read inputs from the user, and printf function is used to display the output for a user. Operators in C programming. We have arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators, and assignment operators, which I have learned in this internship during the period of 1 month. Operators, arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiplication, divide, modulus, incrementation and decrementation. I have learned all this, which works like mathematics itself. Relational operators are nothing but equal to, which is which operator that shows A is exactly equal to B, and second operator is not equal to, and third is greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to. These are the relational operators. You can see here whether it checks the condition, whether if it is true or false, then it execute the next statement of the program. Logical operators are and, logical and, logical or, logical not. We all know that the functioning of these logical operators. We all studied this using in the internship duration. Assignment operators are equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equals to, division equals to, modulus equals to, left shift and right shift and, bitwise exclusive or bitwise inclusive or. These are the assignment operators. Next we'll come with the conditional statements. There are two conditional statements, if else and switch. In if else statement we have categorized it to 4 types: if else, if, and nested if. If condition is true, the syntax is shown here. If condition, the statement is executed. If condition true, then if a condition is executed, else this statement is executed, else this condition is executed. If condition 1 is true, then if block is executed. If condition 1 is false, condition 2 is true, then else if block is executed. Neither the condition 1 nor the condition 2 is true, then else block is executed. In nested, we are nesting the in if condition. We are writing another if condition which works similar to as if else. Here switch, next it will, 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 next it will. If case 1 is true, then case 2, case 3 default, these cannot be executed. If case 1 is false, then case 2 can be executed. If case 2, case 1 both are false, then case 3 will be executed and break will come out of the switch mode. Next we have 3 types of loops: for loop, while loop and do while loop. In for loop, first we have initialization. Then if this condition is true, then it will go to the next statement, check the condition and again come back. If the condition is false, it come out of the loop. Here if first we have to initialize, then if the condition is true, it will go and go to the next statement and execute it and check the condition and again come back to the loop. If the condition is false, it come out of the loop. In do while loop, first it will check the 2 conditions. If these 2 statements condition is false, then it will go again and recheck the inputs. If the condition is true, it will come out of the loop. Next we have functions. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. Functions are used to perform certain actions and they are important for using reusing code, define the code once and use it many times, is nothing but a function. Function can be written as shown in the example here. Int add, int x and int y are the parameters which are passing through a function called name with a function name add, and this is a function header. The function body includes what operation with these two parameters we are going to perform, that is int sum equal to x plus y. Return sum, this returned value, this add function with the function name add, whatever the program we have written, this can be called many times while performing an operation in a program. Arrays. An array is defined as a collection of similar type of data items stored at contiguous memory location. We can see here int array is of 1, 2, 3 is assigned to a values 5 values, and this program for I is equal to int I. Okay, print f the element are for I less than 0, I less than n. Here we have assigned and if I is less than n, if this int this we have given to I, if it is less than n, then it will increment. Print array of I. For array of 0 it is the value of 1, it is for array of 1 it is 2, array of 3 it is 3, array of 4 it is array of 0, array of 1, array of 2, array of 3, array of 4 is the values which are equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the simple program to demonstrate the arrays function in C. Pointers. A pointer is defined as a derived data type that can store the address of other C variables in memory locations. See, once again I am bringing out the pointers because I got more difficulty in understanding these pointers. I am very thankful to the Emontex instructor who teach me pointers and understanding it, making me understand in more better ways. Pointer is defined as a derived data type and that can store the address of other C variable or a memory location. See, we can see here int x equal to 10 and y equal to 30. Int pointer, then pointer equal to and y. See here, in the location pointer, the address of variable y is stored here and it will be returning 0. This is nothing. In the pointer we can store the address of whichever variable. If and x is there, means it will be, pointer block will be stored with the address 1000. Conclusion. I have learnt here more concepts to do embedded coding language, C language. I have learned the coding of embedded C, like LED display and keypad operation, etc. I have used this MP Lab XID to implement my micro over project. Okay. This I have included crcd.h, main.h, matrix, keypad, timers.h header files which I have coded here, and in the source file I have main.c, which my main program is here. This is the coding part. Now I am going to show my output. In the first I have displaying powering on microwave oven screen. Then after 3 seconds my program is going to jump to this LCD display. Now I am pressing 1. The power of my microwave oven is 900 watts. Then I have to set a timer how to eat. let be this 12 seconds and 1 minute. If I clear this, whatever the blinking time is there, that will be cleared. And if I press hash, then it will be, the fan is going to start and the timer is going to show. If I press 5 key, it will pause. If I press 4 key, again it will be resume. If I press key number 6, it will be stopped, and again we'll come back to this menu display screen. Now if I press 2, then again this function is similar to as micro mode. Again if I press 5, it will be paused. If I press 4, it will be resumed. If I press 6, it will be come out of the grill mode. And now I am pressing key number 3. Here I have to set temperature, and my temperature should be, if I press enter greater than 180 degree temperature, then it will won't work. And if I press only below 180 degree temperature, then only it will work. If I clear this entire my clear star, if I press star, this will be cleared. Let me take temperature as 120 degree and enter. The time remaining preheating time is 180 seconds. Let us wait for the 180 seconds to complete and see what the procedure is going to happen next. In the preheating stage, we also get buzzer. Let me show you after this. Preheating of my microwave oven is going on. And in Pixim Lab, we are using PIC16F877A microcontroller board, and in this board there are 4 rows, 3 column, 12 keys of keypad, and we can see here port D and port B LED displays. And this is the control panel where CLCD, this we can set. And this is the fan, this is the buzzer which gives the sound, and this is a 7-segment display. Okay, this is all about the board. Preheating of microwave oven is going to be finished in 25 seconds. I am giving the demo of my project. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again it will go to the, it will work as the same. Let me say here 10, 1, enter. This is again working like a micro mode. If I stop this, pause this, it will be paused. If I press resume start, if I stop this, okay, let me show you how buzzer will work with the micro mode. It will work with all the modes. If 10 seconds I have entered, after completion of these 10 seconds the buzzer will sound and it will display the time up. The buzzer will sound for 3 seconds, you can hear that, and it will again come back to the grill mode. And this is the project which I have done during the internship of this embedded system. I would like to thank all the instructors who has given me such a knowledge and wonderful internship of micro embedded system. Thank you, madam.